So friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you how to create the APK of the app that we made through Sketchware and install it in your mobile phone. So let's open Sketchware. Now friends, click on the project that you have made. So let's add some text in it. Then let's change the text style. So I'm choosing bold, italic. You can choose anything that you want. There are three options only. And style. Now size. So let's see where the size is. Um, Friends, as a professional, I should say, if you are making an app, please choose Sketchware because it's a pretty good app, and many means my brother Sushrut Kumar Singh, not exactly brother, is cousin. So he also made an app, Digital Hazariba. He made with the help of the Sketchware app. Then friends, you have to save this what you wrote in your app. Then install. And then after some time it would be installed. Allow. So then you have to open it, and your app is ready.